The next one is Kahoot. This one is you can play. I'm going to play one quickly over Tech Everlasting on the questions of what's going on. It said, why did Tuck take Winnie on the rowboat? So, right now I'm showing you both screens. This is what the teacher screen looks like. And only one player, so. And then I will switch over, and this is question 2. It says, know what it is. It's all around us. What does Tuck tell Winnie? It's life, grass, nature, bugs, or grass. And it's life. So, this one's interesting for all different types of things. You can create your own Kahoot about different things. Math, skills, whatever you're reading. Different things like that. I like Kahoot for different things. You can even do them for just fun little activities in the classroom. It's not one that I've used a lot at all. It's completely new to me. Sign up for an account. It's free. You can use it at home to assign for play away from school.